Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up your laptop for gaming. Setting up your laptop for gaming is easy. You just need a few tweaks and settings to get the best performance. And here's a clear and beginner-friendly guide to setting up your laptop for gaming. First, update your Windows to the latest version. Install the latest graphics drivers for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Set your power mode to best performance and settings. Plug in your laptop charger while gaming. Adjust display settings to use the correct refresh rate. Enable game mode in Windows settings. Close unnecessary background apps. Lower in-game graphics settings if performance drops. Turn off unnecessary startup programs. Make sure your laptop has proper airflow or a cooling. Use a stable internet connection. Ethernet is possible. Install essential gaming apps like Steam, Epic Games, or Discord. Test your games and fine-tune settings for smooth performance. Tip: using a cooling pad can help prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.